In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we managed to catch about 130 pips on CADJPY, accounting to about 1 to 30 risk reward ratio from start to finish. So let's go right now. Let me just show you everything. All right, so everything started from here. So this trade was actually taken on the 18th of April. You can see it was forecasted on the 18th of April right here. This was the focus in our M&F mentorship community right here. We had a rally based drop supply zone, right? You can see that this is a rally based drop supply zone, and then we had that big momentum candles dropping right there. And then the market pulled back to create liquidity, and then it dropped even further. Now look at this. The market came to this level right here where it left a high, and then the market created another high right here. So what we wanted to see was the market taking out this high right here, coming into our zone right here, and then dropping. You can see that this is our initial. This was our initial focus right here, and then the market came to our level right here, and this trade setup was shared with our private community right here. This was a random place. Drop supply zone, equal highs right here, and then the market came to this level right here, and guess what? This market was actually sent to our private community. 5 pips stop loss and 130 pips target right there. And now this is. Have you ever wondered which one is our preferred broker at M&A Forex traders? Well, wonder no more. Morgan Market is our preferred trading broker for Forex. So here are the reasons why you should be able to trade on their platform. All right. They offer up to 1 to 500 leverage. Their minimum deposit is only $50. The sign-up process is quick and easy. They offer 24/7 client support. They have tight spreads, no slippage. Guess what? Their deposits are instant via crypto, fast withdrawals, and over 200 tradable assets. So check the first link in the description and sign up with them right now and get trading. What happened some 2 days later? So you can see that this trade actually took how many days for it to come to take profit? It actually took 1 day and 20 hours. So that's like 2 days for it to hit take profit right here. And this is a 1 to 30 risk reward ratio. And let me just go ahead and actually close this trade right here. And I'm just going to show you, I'm going to pop out how much I was actually able to make on this particular trade right here on the screen. All right, so let's just go to the higher time frame and let's explore everything that happened in this particular trade. Okay, so you can see that the overall trend of this particular trade was actually to the downside, right? So whenever you're looking for selling opportunities, you have to make sure that you are trading in the direction of the major trade, which is the downtrend in this case. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening here. So you can see that we had a rally based drop. Even though right here it might not be very visible, but if you drop the lower time frame, you're actually going to see and appreciate what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so here on the 5 minute time frame, it's much clearer. You can see that there was a rally based drop, right? And then you see that there was a ton of equal highs at this level, which just tells you that there's liquidity. Very important. And then also, if you turn on this indicator right here, you see that this Asian high was taken out right there, and then the market started to approach this level right here. So when I saw this got me interested, and I was willing to actually sell from here. And the market came to our level right here, gave us some nice confirmation for entries, and I was able to actually take this trade and shared it with our private community like I've showed you. And then now this trade is over 1 to 30 risk reward ratio in profit, right? You can see that the market didn't just go straight. The market made series of lower lows and lower highs, and you are supposed to be comfortable enough to sit through those turbulences, because the market is not just going to go straight to your take profit. The market will make lower lows and lower highs, and you're supposed to be comfortable enough to sit through those higher highs, I mean those lower lows and lower highs, because that's just the market, how the market works. The market can't just go straight to your take profit. And I can tell you that this was an absolutely beautiful trade setup, right? So how many of such trades do you need for you to be profitable? This is a 1 to 30 risk reward ratio. Literally, if you can have this even just once in a month, or once in a week, this is absolutely amazing. This was an absolutely amazing trade. And as I've already shown you already, guys, step by step we share with you guys from the forecasting and from the signals we're going to share with you, so that you see why we're taking these particular trades. All right, it's really important for you to learn as a mentee, as someone who's not consistently profitable. This is a real thing that you need to actually see working. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys that it's possible. And really, if you're still not consistent in the market, the best you can do for yourself right now is go down in the comment in the description. Make sure you check out our M&F Mastery course. Get that course. It's going to give you lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free trading journal, free trading plan, a lot of audiobooks about trading psychology, and these are the things that you need for you to become a consistently profitable trader. All right, I hope you found value. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.